Ramco ERP Online Training. Introduction to Ramco ERP, Overview and Key Features. Ramco ERP is a comprehensive enterprise resource planning (ERP) solution that integrates various business processes across an organization. Designed to streamline operations and enhance efficiency, Ramco ERP offers a suite of applications that cover different areas of business management, including finance, human resources, supply chain, manufacturing, and asset management. Overview of Ramco ERP. Ramco ERP is known for its cloud-based architecture, which allows businesses to access the system from anywhere, at any time, while ensuring scalability and flexibility. The solution is designed to be modular, meaning organizations can choose specific modules that fit their needs and expand the system as their requirements grow. Additionally, Ramco ERP incorporates advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, and business analytics to provide real-time insights and predictive analytics. Key features of Ramco ERP. Finance and accounting. Comprehensive financial management, managed general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, and fixed assets. Automated reconciliation. Simplify bank reconciliation processes with automation. Compliance and reporting. Ensure adherence to local and international financial regulations and standards. Human capital management, HCM. Talent management. Attract, manage, and retain talent through recruitment, onboarding, performance management, and learning management systems. Payroll management. Handle multi-country payroll with ease, ensuring compliance with local tax laws and regulations. Self-service portals. Empower employees with self-service options for leave requests, timesheets, and personal information updates. Supply chain management. Procurement. Automate procurement processes, including vendor management, purchase orders, and invoice matching. Inventory management. Optimize inventory levels with real-time tracking, demand forecasting, and automated replenishment. Logistics and distribution. Manage the entire logistics process, from order management to delivery, ensuring timely fulfillment. Manufacturing. Production planning. Efficiently plan and schedule production activities, taking into account capacity, demand, and resources. Quality management. Implement quality control processes to ensure that products meet the required standards. Maintenance management. Schedule and track maintenance activities to minimize downtime and extend the life of assets. Asset management. Asset tracking. Keep track of all physical assets, their location, and their status. Preventive maintenance. Schedule regular maintenance activities to prevent unexpected breakdowns. Life cycle management. Manage the entire life cycle of assets, from acquisition to disposal. Advanced analytics and reporting. Real-time dashboards. Access real-time data through customizable dashboards, providing a comprehensive view of business performance. Predictive analytics. Utilize AI and ML to predict future trends and make data-driven decisions. Custom reports. Generate tailored reports to meet specific business needs and requirements. Ramco ERP modules. Functional capabilities. Ramco ERP offers a wide range of modules, each designed to address different aspects of business operations. Here's an overview of the key functional capabilities of various Ramco ERP modules. 1. Finance and accounting. General ledger manages financial transactions, maintains a comprehensive chart of accounts, and supports multicurrency accounting. Accounts payable receivable streamlines payment processing, vendor management, and customer invoicing. Fixed assets management tracks and manages the life cycle of fixed assets, including acquisition, depreciation, and disposal. Financial reporting provides real-time financial statements, variance analysis, and custom reports. 2. Supply chain management, SCM. Procurement automates purchase orders, vendor selection, and contract management. Inventory management optimizes stock levels, tracks inventory movements, and manages warehouse operations. Order management facilitates order processing, including sales orders, fulfillment, and billing. Demand planning forecasts demand using historical data and predictive analytics to align inventory with future needs. 3. Human capital management, HCM. Recruitment manages the hiring process from requisition to onboarding. Payroll automates payroll processing, including tax calculations and compliance with local regulations. Talent management supports performance evaluations, career planning, and employee development programs. Time and attendance tracks employee work hours, leaves, and overtime. 4. Manufacturing. Production planning schedules production runs, manages work orders, and aligns resources with production demands. Shop floor management monitors real-time production data, machine performance, and worker productivity. Quality management ensures product quality through inspections, testing, and compliance with standards. Material requirements planning MRP balances material supply with production requirements to avoid shortages and overstock. 5. Project management. Project planning and scheduling provides tools for defining project scope, timelines, and resource allocation. Budgeting and cost control tracks project costs, budgets, and financial performance in real time. Resource management allocates and tracks the utilization of human and material resources across projects. Project tracking and reporting offers dashboards and reports to monitor project progress, milestones, and deliverables. 6. Customer relationship management, CRM. Salesforce automation automates sales processes, including lead generation, pipeline management, and sales forecasting. Customer service manages customer support requests, service contracts, and warranty claims. Marketing automation executes targeted marketing campaigns, tracks campaign performance, and manages customer segmentation. Customer analytics analyzes customer data to identify trends, preferences, and opportunities for cross-selling or upselling. 7. Asset management. Asset life cycle management tracks assets from acquisition to retirement, including maintenance schedules and utilization. Maintenance management schedules and monitors preventive, corrective, and predictive maintenance activities. Asset tracking utilizes RFID, barcodes, or GPS for real-time tracking of assets across locations. Warranty and service management manages warranties and service contracts for owned and leased assets. Industry-specific solutions, tailoring Ramco ERP for different sectors. Ramco ERP is a comprehensive enterprise resource planning solution that can be customized to meet the unique needs of various industries. Tailoring Ramco ERP for different sectors involves leveraging its modular design, scalability, and flexibility to address specific industry challenges and requirements. Here's how Ramco ERP can be tailored for different sectors. 1. Manufacturing. Production planning and control. Ramco ERP offers advanced production planning, scheduling, and execution capabilities, enabling manufacturers to optimize resource utilization and reduce downtime. Supply chain management. Customizable workflows ensure smooth coordination between suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors, improving lead times and inventory management. Quality management. Industry-specific quality control features can be integrated to monitor product standards and ensure compliance with industry regulations. 2. Aviation. Maintenance, repair, and overhaul. MRO. Ramco ERP provides specialized modules for MRO operations, supporting complex workflows required for aircraft maintenance. Fleet management. The system can be tailored to manage aircraft fleets, track maintenance schedules, and ensure regulatory compliance. Supply chain and inventory. It includes specific features for managing aviation spare parts, reducing the risk of stockouts, and optimizing inventory levels. 3. Healthcare. Patient management. Ramco ERP can be customized to streamline patient data management, appointment scheduling, and billing, ensuring seamless operations in healthcare facilities. Clinical resource management. The system can manage clinical resources like staff, equipment, and facilities, optimizing utilization and reducing costs. Compliance and reporting. Industry-specific compliance requirements can be integrated into the ERP to ensure adherence to healthcare regulations. 4. Logistics and transportation. Fleet and asset management. Ramco ERP offers modules for tracking and managing fleet operations, including maintenance, fuel consumption, and driver management. Transportation management. Tailored solutions for route planning, load optimization, and freight management help in improving operational efficiency. Warehouse management. The ERP can be customized to handle complex warehouse operations, including inventory management, order processing, and distribution. 5. Real estate and construction. Project management. Ramco ERP provides tools for managing construction projects from inception to completion, including budgeting, scheduling, and resource allocation. Contract management. The system can be tailored to manage contracts, ensuring compliance with legal requirements and efficient handling of subcontractors. Procurement and inventory. Customizable procurement modules ensure timely availability of materials, while inventory management features help in reducing wastage and controlling costs. Integration capabilities. Connecting Ramco ERP with other systems. Integrating Ramco ERP with other systems is essential for creating a unified and efficient IT environment. Here's an overview of the key integration capabilities and approaches available when connecting Ramco ERP with other systems. 1. APIs, Application Programming Interfaces. REST and SOAP APIs. Ramco ERP supports both REST and SOAP APIs, allowing seamless communication with external applications. This makes it easier to integrate with web services, mobile apps, and other software systems. Custom API development. Ramco allows the development of custom APIs to cater to specific integration needs, ensuring that unique business requirements are met. 2. Middleware solutions. Integration middleware. Middleware platforms like Dell Boomi, MuleSoft, or IBM Integration Bus can act as intermediaries between Ramco ERP and other systems. These platforms help in managing data transformations, routing, and ensuring reliable data exchange. Message queues. Middleware solutions often use message queues, like RabbitMQ or Apache Kafka, to ensure data is reliably transferred between systems, especially in asynchronous integrations. 3. ESB, Enterprise Service Bus. Ramco's native ESB. Ramco ERP offers native ESB capabilities for integrating different applications, services, and databases. This facilitates real-time data synchronization and complex orchestration of business processes. Third-party ESBs. External ESBs like WSO2 or Oracle Service Bus can also be used for integrating Ramco ERP with other enterprise systems, enabling centralized control and monitoring. 4. ETL, Extract, Transform, Load, Tools. Data integration. ETL tools such as Informatica, Talend, or Apache NiFi can be used to extract data from Ramco ERP, transform it according to the target system's format, and load it into other applications or databases. Batch and real-time processing. Depending on the use case, these tools support both batch processing for bulk data transfers and real-time processing for live data synchronization. 5. Pre-built connectors. Standard connectors. Ramco ERP offers a variety of pre-built connectors for commonly used systems like Salesforce, SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft Dynamics. These connectors simplify the integration process and reduce the time required to establish connections. Custom connectors. In cases where a pre-built connector isn't available, Ramco allows the creation of custom connectors to interface with proprietary or less common systems. 6. Webhooks. Event-driven integration. Webhooks can be set up in Ramco ERP to trigger actions or send data to other systems based on specific events, ensuring that different applications can react in real time to changes in the ERP system. Low-latency communication. Webhooks enable near-instantaneous data sharing, which is ideal for scenarios where low-latency communication is critical. 7. Data integration and synchronization. Master data management. MDM. Ramco ERP can be integrated with MDM solutions to ensure that master data, like customer or product information, is consistent across all systems. Data reconciliation. Tools for data reconciliation and cleansing can be integrated to ensure data integrity across different platforms. Cloud versus on-premise deployment. Choosing the right model. When deciding between cloud and on-premise deployment models, it's essential to consider the specific needs, resources, and goals of your organization. Here's a comparative analysis to help guide your decision. Cloud deployment. Advantages. Scalability. Easily scale resources up or down based on demand without significant upfront investment. Ideal for businesses with fluctuating or growing needs. Cost effectiveness. Operates on a subscription or pay-as-you-go model, reducing the need for large capital expenditures. No need for in-house hardware maintenance, as infrastructure is managed by the cloud provider. Accessibility and flexibility. Access from anywhere with an internet connection, promoting remote work and collaboration. Supports a wide range of devices and platforms. Rapid deployment. Faster setup and deployment compared to on-premise systems. Easy integration with other cloud services and tools. Automatic updates. Software and security updates are automatically managed by the provider, ensuring systems are always up to date. Disadvantages. Security concerns. Data is stored off-site, which might raise concerns about data security and compliance with regulations. Dependence on the provider's security measures. Less control. Limited control over the infrastructure and some aspects of the environment. Customization options might be restricted. Ongoing costs. Although there's no large upfront investment, the ongoing subscription fees can add up over time. Dependency on internet connection. Requires a reliable internet connection for access and operation, which might be a limitation in certain locations. On-premise deployment. Advantages. Control. Full control over the hardware, software, and data. Easier to customize the environment to meet specific business needs. User interface and experience. Navigating Ramco ERP. Navigating Ramco ERP effectively requires understanding its user interface, UI, and user experience, UX, design principles. Ramco ERP, known for its flexibility and comprehensive functionality, offers a user-centric interface aimed at simplifying complex enterprise processes. Here are key aspects of navigating the UI and enhancing the user experience. 1. Dashboard customization. Personalized dashboards. Users can customize dashboards to display relevant KPIs, reports, and widgets. This feature helps in creating a workspace tailored to specific roles, enhancing productivity by presenting critical information upfront. Drag and drop functionality. The interface supports drag and drop, allowing users to rearrange widgets and components easily. 2. Menu navigation. Intuitive menu structure. Ramco ERP features a hierarchical menu structure that categorizes functions based on modules like finance, HR, inventory, etc. Users can navigate these menus via drop-downs or a tree view, making it easier to locate specific functions. Global search. A robust search bar allows users to quickly find specific modules, reports, or transactions, saving time compared to navigating through menus. 3. Task-oriented design. Role-based access. The interface is designed to show only relevant tasks and functions based on user roles, reducing clutter and streamlining the navigation process. Quick Access Toolbar. Frequently used features can be added to a Quick Access Toolbar, allowing users to execute common tasks with minimal clicks. 4. Forms and data entry. Form layout. Ramco ERP provides well-structured forms for data entry with clear labeling and input fields. The system supports validation rules to minimize data entry errors. Auto-population and defaults, where applicable, forms auto-populate fields with relevant data or suggest default values, speeding up the process. 5. Mobile and web accessibility. Responsive design. Ramco ERP's interface is responsive, adapting to various screen sizes and devices, ensuring a consistent user experience across desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Mobile app. The Ramco ERP mobile app provides on-the-go access to core functionalities with a simplified interface optimized for touch interactions. 6. Help and support. Contextual help. The system provides contextual help options, including tooltips, guides, and video tutorials, helping users understand features without leaving the interface. User forums and documentation. Users can access extensive online documentation and participate in forums for community support. 7. Analytics and reporting. Embedded analytics. The ERP includes embedded analytics with real-time data visualization tools, enabling users to generate and view reports directly within the interface. Interactive reports. Users can interact with reports, drill down into data, and apply filters directly from the UI, making it easier to derive insights. 8. Notifications and alerts. Push notifications. Users receive alerts for important events or tasks directly within the interface, helping them stay informed and responsive. Real-time analytics and reporting in Ramco ERP. Real-time analytics and reporting in Ramco ERP empower organizations to make data-driven decisions swiftly. Here's an overview. Key features. Real-time data access. Ramco ERP integrates data from various business functions, finance, HR, inventory, etc., in real time, ensuring up-to-date information is available for decision-making. Customizable dashboards. Users can create dashboards that display key performance indicators, KPIs, metrics, and trends tailored to their specific needs, offering a quick overview of business health. Advanced reporting tools. Ramco ERP provides robust reporting tools that allow users to generate detailed reports across different business modules. These reports can be customized, filtered, and exported in various formats, PDF, Excel, etc. Predictive analytics. Leveraging AI and machine learning, Ramco ERP can predict future trends based on historical data, helping businesses anticipate challenges and opportunities. Data visualization. The platform offers intuitive visualization tools, including charts, graphs, and maps, to represent complex data sets in an easily digestible format. Mobile access. With mobile integration, users can access real-time reports and analytics on the go, ensuring they stay informed and responsive regardless of their location. Benefits. Improved decision-making. By providing real-time insights, Ramco ERP helps organizations make informed decisions quickly. Enhanced productivity. Automation of report generation and easy access to analytics save time and effort, allowing teams to focus on strategic activities. Better forecasting. Predictive analytics improve the accuracy of business forecasts, reducing risks associated with market fluctuations or operational inefficiencies. Increased visibility. Real-time reporting enhances transparency across the organization, enabling better monitoring of processes and performance. Use cases. Supply chain management. Monitor inventory levels and supplier performance in real time to avoid stockouts or overstock situations. Financial reporting. Generate real-time financial statements and reports to track profitability, cash flow, and budget adherence. Human resources. Analyze employee performance, attendance, and payroll data to optimize workforce management. Why choose ProExcellency for Ramco ERP online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Ramco ERP online training can be beneficial for several reasons. Experienced trainers. ProExcellency typically offers training led by industry professionals who have extensive experience with Ramco ERP. Their expertise can provide you with in-depth knowledge and practical insights. Comprehensive curriculum. The training programs are often designed to cover all essential modules of Ramco ERP, ensuring that you gain a holistic understanding of the system. This includes modules like finance, HR, supply chain management, manufacturing, and more. Flexible learning. Online training through ProExcellency allows you to learn at your own pace, making it easier to balance learning with your work or other commitments. Real-time projects. The training often includes hands-on projects and case studies, which help you apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. This practical experience is crucial for mastering ERP systems. Certification assistance. ProExcellency usually offers guidance for obtaining certification in Ramco ERP, which can be a valuable addition to your professional credentials. Post-training support. They often provide post-training support, helping you with any queries or issues you may encounter even after the course is completed. Affordable pricing. Compared to other training providers, ProExcellency might offer competitive pricing, making it a cost-effective option for gaining expertise in Ramco ERP. Customizable training modules. The training can often be tailored to meet the specific needs of individuals or organizations, ensuring that the content is relevant to your specific industry or job role. Thank you.